Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your typing indicator on Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, we need to open our Instagram direct messages. You can click on this icon on the top right to open the Instagram DM, and you can choose a room chat you want to turn off the typing indicator on. For example, I'm going to hide my typing indicator on this room chat, so I'm gonna open this room chat, and then we can click on the account name like this, and you have to go to the privacy and safety. All right, and here guys, you will be able to turn off your typing indicator so other cannot see when you're typing. Just click on it to disable this feature. Okay, and now the typing indicator has been turned off. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide typing indicator on Instagram direct message. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.